I'm so excited today because in my hands I have the world's smartest smartphone gimbal out there. Meet the AI tracking smartphone gimbal iSteady V3 from Hohem. The palm-sized gimbal comes in white and black. To set it up, you just need to unfold it, and I'm using a massive phone S23 Ultra. Since iSteady V3 can take up to 280 grams in payload, of course you can use Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. I even have my jelly case on and it works totally fine. So this is ready, but this is not all because you can extend it and also change the angle a little bit, and this is perfect for vlogging. Hey guys, so right now I'm in this crystal cabin. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It is a little bit scary, so I'm actually not really moving around, even though I do have a cabin all by myself. And I must say the extension arm of Hohem V3 is just amazing. And because the main body of the gimbal has all the controlling buttons, it is now so easy to take any shots. So this cable car, it is vibrating a little bit, but because with Hohem iSteady V3, of course, it is very steady. And this 180-degree turn, 1, 2, 3, it is brilliant. And I can just switch and take a photo. And of course, that's how you get the widest shot possible. Better than the selfie camera. And the foldable tripod bottom is so handy as well. By the way, have you ever seen a 3-axis gimbal with a detachable remote control? Well, iSteady V3 is the industry's first with a detachable remote control. Tripod is out, it's so stable even though cable car is a little bit moving. But this remote control means I can actually sit right by the window and just do a little control. So this remote control has pretty much everything. So I'm just gonna move the joystick so it's gonna face me and record. You can really take the beautiful view of myself while it's just standing. So we are going up the mountain now. Now let's talk AI. Here in the open space, I'll show you the AI tracking feature, because that little AI device, that's like the best thing about Hohem, because you don't need a mobile smartphone app, but there is a smartphone app for Hohem gimbals, but you don't need it if you don't want to. So all you need to do is give this sign. It's already tracking me. So I can actually just move around. So I can move around and the view is amazing. And now I can go the other way around. Okay, now there's no more, but yeah, it's keep on following me. So that's amazing. It's a little windy day, so for precaution, let me lower it down because I don't want to hurt my precious iSteady V3. Okay, so now it's tracking me. AI tracking mode is switched on. And if I want to stop it, then I can just give palm up and it's stopped. You know, it's not following me anymore, but just give a little sign, okay sign, then it's starting to follow me around. And it's so easy to move from landscape to portrait. So just give thumbs up and then lower down, thumbs up. It's so reactive. So this AI sensor is brilliant, but you know, if you want to go further, if you want to have more control, then of course you can take this remote control, which is super tiny, but it has a lot of different functions. Some of the useful features include double-click mode button for landscape portrait change, press the side button twice to recenter, press the side button 3 times for 180 degrees. If I triple-click mode button, then it's 180 degrees. So it will give a very, whoa, there were insects. It will give a very interesting effect. One more time. And I'll stop recording myself as well. So it's gonna give a very interesting effect with this beautiful tree. Another interesting feature of the remote control is that if you press up or down button, then you can roll the axis. And if you double click up and down button, then you can also zoom in and zoom out. The remote control has a lot of features. And if you want to make use of tripod because you want to use AI tracking on a higher level, then at the bottom where you can actually use it as a tripod, I can fold it back. There is a universal adapter hole, so it is brilliant. And now I'm at the level with my smartphone. So this is one of the best way to do the content creation. So I'm curious as to how far you can actually reach with this remote control. So let's go down with the remote control. Oh yes. So hello, I'm here. Okay, let me sort of get lower down and rolling. Yep, it's rolling. Then let me go back to down this way. Double click to recenter. So this is really powerful. Now I'm indoor in the dark room. Why? Because I want to show you the magnetic field light that's within this AI sensor. So this field light is so powerful and it's so useful if you are in a dark environment. So what I'm going to do is actually turn off a very dim light source on this side. Voila, this is the only light source from Hohem iSteady V3. So when you have no light whatsoever, then here I am. This is the white light at the brightest, so you can also turn it down, which actually works really okay on the smartphone, but you can turn right up to make it as bright as possible. And if you double click the side, then now I've turned into the warm white color. The warm color, you can see it's a little bit orangish, so you can actually change the mood of your video. And if you double click, then it's something between warm and cold. So this is the natural color. And if you double click again, then this is the cold white, and just make sure that the dimness, the brightest is at the highest. So you can really see that the field light works really well. So the magnetic field light, of course, it can be turned around because it's magnetic. So it can be used for the selfie camera as well as the back camera as well. The battery capacity is 1400 mAh, lasting up to 13 hours. If you're fully using AI and the light sensor, then the battery will last you up to 4 to 6 hours. So you can still enjoy all day long shooting. Can you choose which one you like, the white one or the black one? I can't decide myself. They all look really good with amazing features, the AI tracking with the mini tripod that's handy, and also the extended selfie stick, super brilliant. And with all the buttons, features, and also the remote control here, they are amazing. So if you want to know more about Hohem iSteady V3, then do check out the link down below. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!